Sometimes it can be so challenging to keep up with posting new on-brand content to your social media, especially if you're bouncing around between all these different websites and apps to help you edit and curate your content. Thankfully, Simplified can be your one-stop shop with its extensive library of stock photos, GIFs, and more. So let me show you what I mean as we come over here and click on our social publishing tab. As you can see, you can connect to multiple social media accounts ranging from personal to business. And once you've connected to those multiple accounts, you'll be able to select each one individually and schedule a post, or if you'd like to schedule sharing that post on multiple accounts, you can simply click on the additional ones that you'd like to share it to. Not to mention that if you'd like to add yet another account, all you'd have to do is come to these three dots right here, click on that, and then click Add Account. And as you've already seen, you can connect to multiple Facebook accounts. And there you have it. Simplified has made connecting to and posting on multiple social media accounts at once a breeze. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified can help you curate and schedule your social media posts, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.